All right. E.J. Daigle, Dean of Manufacturing here at Dunwoody College Technology. I'm going to give you a short introduction to using video and some of the best practices to keep in mind when using video for both for distance learning and for face-to-face learning for that matter. All right. Topic learning objectives. Upon successful completion of this topic, you will be able to describe the benefits of video, not just for distance learning, but also for face-to-face. And then master the best practices when using video. When I use the word master, I'm not just talking about master as a verb, but also as an acronym that I'm going to use to help you remember some of those best practices when using video. So why do we use video? Pew Research found that 90% of Americans ages 18 to 24 regularly watch videos on YouTube. So what does this mean for our students? Well, 18 to 24-year-olds are our future students. So therefore, video lectures really are going to allow us to meet our students where they're at. But more importantly, if you're offering a distance learning course, video gives you the opportunity to be pseudo face-to-face. And also gives the students a chance to pause, rewind, and rewatch lectures from anywhere, anytime, and as often as they like. And this isn't limited to distance learning courses. Imagine a face-to-face course where a student had to miss because they were out sick, or a face-to-face course where there's a student that's just struggling with this one topic. The ability to go home and watch a video in addition to sitting in the face-to-face lecture is only going to give them that much more ability to grasp the topic and to really kind of take it at their own pace and rewind and rewatch. So huge benefit to use video, both in face-to-face and in distance learning. All right, so the MASTER acronym, this is an acronym I came up with as I was researching some of the things that are really important. I've recorded literally hundreds of hours of video. You can go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Dunwoody Robotics, and you'll get all kinds of videos. I've got videos on calculus and programming Epson robots and FANUC robots and multisim and basic electricity videos. But what I've discovered in the time I've been doing it is there's these things, these 6 things that you really got to remember. The first one, the M in master, is minimize. Minimize editing and post-production. This came up with one of my faculty a few weeks ago when he said he was trying to record a 30-minute video and he spent 4 hours trying to record a 30-minute video. Do not attempt to make your videos perfect. They will never be perfect. First of all, this faculty member trying to record a 30-minute video, 30 minutes is too long. But second of all, trying to download post-production editing software and trying to make every little and everything be perfect isn't going to happen. You wouldn't do this in a face-to-face lecture. You wouldn't scrap the lecture and start over because you made a mistake or you said too many times. Don't do it in your video lectures. So M is minimize editing and post-production as much as you possibly can. Active. The A, be active, be energetic, have fun. Do not be a robot. Do not just read slides. Do not just, talk in a monotone voice. Get excited about what you're doing. S in master is script. Plan your lecture, your talking points, and your slides. Do not just jump into a video. Even if it's writing it down on a piece of paper, that's fine. This is where PowerPoint comes in handy. If you just have a PowerPoint and you just are going to go through those slides and use those topics, those bullets on the slides to keep you on track, that's going to help you huge. Time. Keep your videos short. 5 to 10 minutes are going to work best. Larger chunks might require you have to do multiple videos. People are going to get back and say, hey, Jay, I've heard 4 to 7 minutes is right, or 5 to 8, or 6 to 9. None of it matters. Keep them short, 5 to 10 minutes. Be energetic, use a script. The better videos you do, the longer you can keep your watchers engaged. The less planning you take or the more monotone you are, it doesn't matter if you do a 2-minute video, you're not going to keep your learners engaged. E is for environment in master. So E is environment, control the environment. Test different lighting options if you're going to project yourself or eliminate the background noise. If you're doing PowerPoint slides with voice annotation like I am today, it's very important not to have a lot of background noise. And then R is relation. relate the topic directly to a competency. So I started out with a topic learning objective for today. That was what I wanted you guys to pick up on, and this master is a big piece of that. Try to limit it to one competency maximum, and consider a short quiz to assess after each video or after each section of a video so that you know what or even a Canvas quiz. A graded Canvas quiz is fine as well. Technology. To start, keep it simple. Use Canvas Studio, use PowerPoint slides, do the screen capture with voice annotation, do some short assessments as part of the video, do a Canvas quiz after the video. As you get more comfortable, try out some of the newer technology. The Wacom tablet is a huge addition to do digital ink and slide annotations. A document camera can be extremely valuable to project you doing something with your hands, maybe pointing things out or taking something apart. A picture-in-picture is nice, where you can actually have yourself talking down in the corner and still have the slide up. So now not only are you getting an audio version of yourself, but now the students can actually see you talking as well, which is nice. Assessment. So this is where we're going to talk about what we talked about in here a little bit. So let's go back to what we talked about. What is the optimal length for a video lecture? That's right, 5 to 10 minutes. Why is video so valuable to our students? That's also right. Allows our students the opportunity to watch, rewatch, rewind anytime, anywhere. And then what does that MASTER acronym stand for? I remember M is minimize editing, A is active animated, S is script, T is time, E is environment, controlling the environment, and then R is relation to competency. So very important things to remember as we look at video. So what's next? This was just an introduction to give you an idea of the things to take in mind or things to consider best practice-wise as far as building video. The additional videos I'm going to create that I hope you'll watch these other ones as well are going to be demonstrations. So demo 1 will be Canvas Studio screen capture. So how did I do this today? It's one thing to know, yeah, I should keep it 5 to 10 minutes and I should do this and I should do that. But how do I actually do it? I'll show you that. Demo 2 will be the Wacom tablet using digital ink annotations. I'll show you some of that in Demo 2. And Demo 3 will be using document cameras or some sort of camera annotation. I'm going to probably try to use something with Ohm's Law. It's not that I'm trying to teach you Ohm's Law, but I want to have something to kind of look at in some of these videos as we talk about these different things. And then finally, I end every video, every lecture, every video, distance learning face-to-face with questions. Give the students an opportunity to ask questions. It can be difficult if you're doing something asynchronous, but even if you're doing something asynchronous with video, give them a question slide. Here's my contact information. I want to remind you guys, if you guys have any questions on creating online videos, reach out to me. This is my email address, edaigle@dunwoody.edu, and there's my phone number. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll try to clear up those questions that you may have. With that, I want to introduce you to the world of video, and I welcome you to watch these 3 demos that I'm going to create that go along with this introductory slide. Thank you.